Okie dokie. Evidently, I'm about to meet up with this one chick. Woman, I should say, that I've been DMing, or that, you know, basically met on Instagram, basically. So she liked one of my videos, and I was like, hey, do you want to go for a ride? And hopefully I don't get killed. So yeah, currently in, I say, LA area. Alright. See if we can do it. Okay. Freeway entrance. Alright. We don't want to go there. So, man. Said she was like 5'5", 5'4". I don't know, dude. Whatever. Okay, this kind of scares me. Alrighty. He's here. Hey, how's it going? How you doing?
Hi.
This is the bike. Super cool, right? I did bring you a helmet. Hey, that's bad for you. That's bad for you, okay? Oh my god. So let me get your helmet out. Whew. Earplugs. Yes? Huh? No? Oh, it's nearby. I don't know any Russian. Cool, like, lookout points around here.